Ever wonder how huge websites never seem to crash? A lot of the time, the answer is Amazon Web Services.
Okay, picture this. You run an online store and it's the biggest shopping day of the year. Then boom, the traffic hits, your site goes down. The old way of fixing this was a total nightmare.
You'd have to buy a ton of expensive servers that would just collect dust 99% of the time.
But the cloud completely changed the game. Let's compare the old way with the AWS way.
So what is AWS? Think of it like a global computer that you can rent pieces of, right over the internet.
A goal wasn't just a small improvement. It was meant to totally rethink IT from the ground up.
And this new model has three massive advantages for pretty much any business out there.
So how does it actually work? Let's break down the three most basic services you've got to know.
First up is compute. EC2 is basically you renting a virtual computer in the cloud to run your apps.
Then you've got storage. S3 is like an infinite hard drive in the cloud for all your files.
And get this, S3 is designed for 11 nines of durability. That's almost unbelievably reliable. And finally, databases. Services like RDS and Aurora handle all the complicated database stuff for you.
Just with these three things, you can build almost anything you can dream of without buying any hardware.
So no surprise, this powerful model made AWS the undisputed leader. Let's just look at the numbers.
Right now, AWS holds a massive 30% of the entire global cloud market.
That's way ahead of its biggest rivals, Microsoft's Azure and Google Cloud.
But the real story is what people are building on it, and some of it is pretty incredible.
Regulators can analyze 75 billion market events every single day to catch fraud.
And the company that makes Roomba? They run their entire global platform with a team of less than 10 people.
The big takeaway here is that AWS made this powerful technology available to absolutely everyone.
It turned IT from a huge upfront cost into an operational expense. You just pay for what you use.
So now that anyone can tap into a global supercomputer, the only real question is, what will you build?